Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We appreciate you tuning in to stay informed about the pressing issues around the world. Today, I'm bringing you urgent updates from Gaza, where a confluence of heavy rains, a health crisis, and escalating conflict is creating a dire situation. The region is facing multiple challenges that are compounding each other, making it difficult for the residents to cope. First, let's talk about the weather. The skies have opened up and the rain has been relentless. Gaza has been hit with unseasonably heavy rains, leading to widespread flooding. The downpour has been so intense that it has overwhelmed the drainage systems. Streets have turned into rivers, homes are inundated, and the already fragile infrastructure is struggling to cope. Many families have been forced to evacuate their homes, seeking shelter wherever they can find it. This is not just about getting wet, it's a serious health hazard. The floodwaters are not clean. They are filled with debris and contaminants. Floodwaters are mixing with raw sewage, contaminating water supplies and bringing the risk of waterborne diseases. This contamination poses a significant threat to public health. Hospitals already stretched thin are preparing for an influx of patients suffering from illnesses like cholera and dysentery. The medical staff are working around the clock to manage the situation. It's a ticking time bomb for a region where clean water is already a luxury. Access to safe drinking water has always been a challenge in Gaza, and the floods have exacerbated this issue. Adding to this crisis, the ongoing conflict has seen a fresh escalation. The violence has not only caused physical destruction, but also heightened the sense of fear and uncertainty among the residents. Exchanges of fire between Israel and Hezbollah have intensified, casting a long shadow over the region. The constant threat of attacks makes daily life incredibly precarious. The constant threat of violence makes it nearly impossible for humanitarian aid to reach those in need. Aid convoys are often delayed or stopped at checkpoints, preventing essential supplies from getting through. The health system, already weakened by years of blockade and conflict, is on the brink of collapse. The medical facilities are in dire need of resources and support. Medical supplies are running dangerously low, and the staff are exhausted. They are doing their best with what little they have, but the situation is becoming increasingly untenable. Imagine trying to treat a flood of patients without enough medicine or equipment, all while under the constant threat of airstrikes. The stress and pressure on the medical staff are unimaginable. International organizations are sounding the alarm. They are calling for immediate action to address the humanitarian crisis. They're calling for an immediate ceasefire to allow humanitarian aid to flow into Gaza. The need for a coordinated and effective response has never been more urgent. But as of now, the situation remains precarious, with no clear resolution in sight. The people of Gaza are caught in a cycle of violence and deprivation. So, what can we do? Raising awareness is a crucial first step. The more people know about the situation, the more pressure can be applied to bring about change. Share this video, talk about what's happening, and support organizations working on the ground. Every bit helps. That's all for today. Your voice can make a difference. Support the efforts of charity organizations that are tirelessly working to provide relief. Your donations and support can help save lives. Stay informed, stay compassionate, and let's hope for a swift end to this crisis. The resilience of the people in Gaza is remarkable, and they need our solidarity now more than ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us continue to bring you important stories from around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care and stay safe.